In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how I made $75,125 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I'm going to share with you which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest, because you cannot promote any affiliate links. You need to choose specific affiliate links that will earn you commission. So make sure to watch this video until the end, because I'm going to share with you so much more information about Pinterest affiliate marketing and how we can start with $0, because I made this commission without investing any money. This comes just from free traffic from Pinterest, and of course with the right strategy and the right method. Okay, and I will share and I will share everything with you in this video that will help you to get commission like this. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $75,125 in commission just with using Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, let's get started. So for people who are new to this business and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr like this. Okay, click on the first link over here and you need to sign up to this website by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next is just come to this page and scroll down. Just keep scrolling down like this. Go to community and click over here on affiliate, and it will take you to this page over here. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, but before we do that, let's scroll down to show you commission plan, because they are really paying a lot of money for those services. If we click over here on see commission, it will take you to this page, and as you can see commission plan over here. If we scroll down, you can see over here that you can earn up to $150. Okay, that's a lot of money. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. Okay, this is the best affiliate business that you can join. So for me, it's really good and the best, because they are really paying a lot of money. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller, to this website, to this Fiverr affiliate website, click on join now like this, and it's gonna take you to this page, to sign up process page. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions over here. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Scroll down, choose your country and choose your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr, and now I'm gonna share with you guys which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Click over here on the search for Amazon products research. Okay, search for Amazon products research, scroll down. This is one of my profitable services that I was promoting on Pinterest, and of course it's still profitable because a lot of people are still searching for Amazon product research. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, let me see, I'm gonna choose, I will do Amazon products research. So this one looking good. He is level 2 seller, he has a lot of reviews, and he is selling this service from starting from $20. As you can see, I will click on his service. Just click on his service, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools. I already have this page ready. Click on marketing tools, click on default and tip links. It will take you to this page. Click over here and you need to put your affiliate link, your this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. It's easy and simple. Okay, if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, go to Google. Just go to Google and search for Pinterest. It's easy and simple. Click on the first link over here and you just need to sign up by using an email address. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy and simple. And make sure to open business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. After you finish, click on home feed, click on create pin. It's gonna take you to this page. What you need to do next, you need to upload a picture about this service that you want to promote here. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr, click on his picture, upload this picture to your laptop, double click, save image. I'm gonna name it product for example. Okay, go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Open, and here you go. What you need to do next, you need to put title, description and your affiliate link. So for title, go back to this seller page and just copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, so you can use those information. It's easy and simple and it's fine to use those information. That's what I did. Click on description, go back to this profile seller page, scroll down, you should see about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. So let me see, like this. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to put here your affiliate link. So what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and you need to copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, just copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here like this. Scroll down, click on choose a board. So if you have a new account, click on create a board and you can create as many as you want. You can create a lot. I already have a lot, as you can see, so you can use this one. So for me, for Fiverr affiliate, scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, those are very important on Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page and you will scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, you should see related tags. Those are the keywords that you should use. Okay, not just you just use a lot of keywords, just use as many as you can. Okay, and put those keywords here like this. I will go back and I will copy this one too. So for you, make sure to use a lot of keywords. Okay, and after you finish, click on publish and here you go. Your Fiverr affiliate service will be published on Pinterest like this. This will be your picture, this will be your affiliate, your title, description, your affiliate link, and your affiliate link over here. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how you can start making money with Fiverr affiliate. And this service that I share with you guys was one of my profitable services that I was promoting, and of course I was promoting a lot of services. So if you are interested in to start this business, let me know in the comments, and they will share with you more profitable services that you can start promoting to earn commission with Fiverr affiliate. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment, and see you in my next videos.